Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to remove border from image. So for example, I will insert image. You can use the image attach command, and the next I will use this image. I can click OK and then insert into your drawing area. Now if you want to remove the border from this image, you can type image frame command and press enter. Now you can set for the value for image frame to 0. Press enter to be remove the border. So if you want to show again, you can type image frame and then set for 1 to show the frame. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027 how to remove border from image.